This is an illusion. Hi everybody. How many are living an illusion? I'm Barbara Campbell, live from Brooklyn, New York, and this is Be Live on Air at the Barbara Campbell Television Studio. We are recording for Hello Made in Brooklyn Records. And it's a beautiful time to be in New York.
So just stay steady if you have to. And when my ear picks it up.
From our live session,
I'll try to be to what we got.
our guests, BC guitarist, RStarr, Barbara Campbell. New song, Illusion.
I want you to start with that and then do your...
Hey, get this! I heard it once, I heard it twice, heard it 3 times, I'll say it again. I heard it on the radio, read it in the newspapers, I seen it on the television. Oh no, I don't know anymore.
What's true?
What's real? I don't know. I can't imagine this happening. This is an illusion. Seems like an illusion. It feels so real. What's real? What's real anymore? It feels like an illusion. It is an illusion? Is this an illusion?
This is an illusion.
It feels so real. It's an illusion, it's not real? This is an illusion, it's not real? Hey! Get this. I heard it twice. I heard it 3 times. I say it again. I heard it on the radio. Read it in the newspapers. Saw it on the television. Oh no, oh no. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. What's true? What's real? I think this is an illusion. I can't imagine this happening.
It seems like
an illusion. It feels so real. Oh, what's real? What's real? What's real anymore? It feels like an illusion. This is an illusion. This is an illusion. And this is not real. This is an illusion. And this is not real. This is an illusion. And it's not real. Barbara Campbell and RStarr, recording for Hello Made in Brooklyn, live from Brooklyn, New York. Barbara Campbell Television. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in today for our live presentation. We appreciate you. To become a member, to subscribe to our channel, head over to YouTube and visit our website for more information on becoming a member of our independent channel. I am an independent digital music artist, creator, producer, and I'm creating music here. I believe that music heals the soul, and it's very important that we, all of us, continue to heal our soul with music, heal our hearts with music, and unite together. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you in the next minute. Bye-bye.
Give me 1 second.